What do you guys think? I know you can see it a little bit in the light, but not too bad. It holds water, it doesn't leak, and let's see, from back here, you'd never notice, especially when having the pulleys on here and everything else going, you're never going to notice it. But yeah, I just gave it a quickie paint job just to kind of seal in the epoxy, stop it from rusting again, all the other bare metal. But that's it. Let that dry for an hour or so. I'll put it all back together and guess work on a cart. A couple things I do need to do. The spring is broken on that one, but not a big deal. If any of you are wondering, it's an oil gallery. Should be full of cotton. There's quite a few of them on this, but anyhow, that's it. Just a quick update. Nope, sorry. See all the valves. They look a little rusty, but they're all free and they're all functioning, so you see, we'll get her thrown back together and see what happens. Probably do another quick little update video when that's all back together, but for now, the big major fix on this is done. I can worry about everything else after the fact now. Alright, I guess we'll talk to you later.